Hi, I'm Jessica from Spirit Explorations. Today, let's explore your energy centers, your chakras. Imagine them as spinning wheels of light within you. You can't see them, but you can feel their effects. There are 7 main chakras, each with a unique color and purpose, running from the base of your spine to the top of your head. When your chakras are balanced, energy flows freely, helping you feel healthy and happy. But stress can block this flow, leaving you tired or anxious. Taking time to care for your chakras is a simple act of self-love. Balancing them is easy. Just a few mindful moments can make a difference. Think of it as tuning an instrument. When you're in tune, life feels harmonious. This journey brings you closer to peace and self-discovery. Let's quickly explore the first 3 chakras: root, sacral, and solar plexus. The root chakra, at the base of your spine, is all about feeling grounded and secure. Its color is deep red. Balance it by connecting with the earth. Walk barefoot, or imagine red light at the base of your spine. The next chakra, the sacral chakra, just below your belly button, is linked to creativity and emotions. Its color is orange. Nurture it by doing something creative or visualizing warm orange energy. The solar plexus chakra in your upper abdomen is your center of confidence and personal power. Its color is yellow. Balance it by breathing deeply and surrounding yourself with yellow. These 3 chakras form your foundation: grounding, creativity, and confidence. Keep them balanced for overall well-being. Let's quickly explore the heart, throat, and third eye chakras. The heart chakra, at the center of your chest, is green and represents love and compassion. The throat chakra, blue in color, is your center for honest communication and self-expression. The third eye chakra, deep indigo, sits between your eyebrows and is linked to intuition and insight. When these chakras are balanced, you feel loving, can express yourself clearly, and trust your inner wisdom. Together, they bring harmony, clarity, and peace to your life. The crown chakra, at the top of your head, is your link to higher consciousness and spiritual connection. Its color is violet, or pure white light. When balanced, it brings peace, unity, and a sense of purpose. Quiet meditation is a simple way to connect with this energy center. Imagine light pouring into your head, filling you with calmness. Balancing all 7 chakras helps you feel whole and harmonious. Picture energy flowing from your root to your crown, like a rainbow. This alignment brings well-being and inner peace. Remember, balance is a gentle, ongoing process. Your breath and simple mindful actions can restore harmony. With balanced chakras, you feel more grounded, joyful, and connected. Now, let's begin a guided meditation to help you balance your chakras and restore harmony within. Find a comfortable seated position. Let your hands rest gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes softly and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension. With your next inhale, imagine a warm, glowing red light at the base of your spine, your root chakra. Feel its energy grounding you, connecting you to the earth beneath. With each breath, let this red light grow stronger, bringing you a sense of safety and stability. As you breathe out, visualize the red light gently rising to your lower abdomen, transforming into a vibrant orange glow, the sacral chakra. Feel warmth and creativity blossoming here, washing away any blockages or tension. With your next breath, guide the light upward to your solar plexus, just above your navel. See it become a bright golden yellow. This is your center of confidence and personal power. Let the yellow light fill you with strength and self-assurance. Now, allow the light to rise to your heart center, glowing a gentle green. Feel love, compassion, and forgiveness radiate from your heart, filling your entire being with peace and acceptance. As you inhale, let the light move up to your throat, turning a clear, soothing blue. Sense your ability to communicate and express yourself freely, with honesty and clarity. Guide the light higher to the center of your forehead, your third eye. See it as a deep indigo, opening your intuition and inner wisdom. Trust in your insight and clarity of mind. Finally, let the light reach the crown of your head, glowing a radiant violet or pure white. Feel your connection to the universe, to all that is, as your energy centers align and balance. Allow any remaining tension or negativity to melt away. As this healing light flows through you, feel your body relax, your mind clear, and your spirit uplifted. Stay here for a few moments, breathing deeply, basking in this sense of balance and peace. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room and softly open your eyes, carrying this harmony with you into your day.